Howdy everyone, again it's Lwandile here. It is time to walk the walk and talk the talk of Java programming. As you can see, I've already went ahead and created this simple class here, okay? So what is left for me to do is to read out loud this question here. It's 6.7 as you just saw. Okay, we gotta write a method that computes future investment value at a given interest rate for a specific number of years. The future investment is determined using the formula in programming exercise 2.21. Seems like we gotta go back there. Okay, use the following method header, blah 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 blah. For example, given that, okay, we get that. Write a test program that prompts the user to enter the investment amount, e.g. 1,000 for instance, and the interest rate. Okay. Oh gosh, kids are making noise now. Anyways, let's continue. Okay. I was actually trying to let them know I'm in the middle of something here. Anyways. Okay, so and then what we want to do is to print a table that displays future value for the years from 1 to 30. Okay, seems like what we gotta do, especially for people who are simply following me, which I'm highly against. For those people, it will be kind of hard for them to understand if I don't jump on to this exercise here, the one they're referring us to. Okay, it's exercise 2.21. So this is the formula right here, as you can see. Okay, let me jump back to the problem on hand. Okay, now let's dance. Okay, system .out.print system.out.print. Oh, my nephew is a bit annoying lately. I don't know, he keeps crying and that is really getting on my way. Okay, the amount invested. Okay, obviously we gotta make investment amount scanner dot read. Okay, what else do I want to display? System dot out dot print. Oh, there we go with these mosquitoes. Okay, it's annual in the rest rates. Okay, double annual in the rest rate is equals to scanner dot next double. But what you've got to know is that the value that's gonna be given to us has to be converted into a number between it has to be divided by 100, and the reason is pretty straightforward. Suppose we were given 12%, that has to be converted into 0.12 as opposed to 12, right? That way when you convert to go back from 0.012 by multiplying by 100, you go back to 12. I'm hoping people are clear what's going on there, right? And if you're not, you're gonna have to do a little bit of a research of your own, or try to check out some of my some of my solutions. In fact, I did 2.21, so you can go. Oh God, gosh, why can't I talk? You can go back there and check it out. Okay. Meanwhile, I've gotta continue invest. Okay, now I've gotta go invest without an R, of course. Investment value. I will pass investment amount with a small letter M. Investment amount annual interest rate. Okay. Again, I've got to divide that by 12 because, as you guys can see, this thing is happening annually. Okay, so we've got to convert that. We've got to divide that by 12 because there are 12 months in 1 year. Okay, what else? Let's try to put that. Okay, that is actually the number of years. Oh, yeah, that's number of years. We're starting from 1 up to 30. Okay. What the heck is that? Investment. It's not investment. Okay. Now I've got to define that method there. And it is pretty straightforward since we've been given that formula. If we weren't, then we would have scratched our head thinking, how should we go about computing that investment amount? Okay, so what else? Oh no, let me continue. You see, sometimes it's kind of hard for me to talk while I'm coding. I don't know if you've noticed that. So I'll try to minimize words and then maximize my coding speed. Okay. Investment and amount. Double monthly interest rate in CS. Okay. What else do I want to say? So what I want to do right now, I want investment amount. Let me go investment value. I don't know if you folks can hear that noise. That's my neighbor. I don't know what is it he's doing with the grinder, but he's in the middle of something. Okay, so yeah, let's initialize that to 0. So we're basically now displaying this table. Okay, system.out.print. Here's \t future value. I'm using 2 \t's for the sake of visibility. Okay, print in. It has to be print len. Okay, now let me play around with with a for loop. Okay, so I'll simply go. I know I'm not used to doing things this way, but you've got to know it is also a choice. It's also a choice. I will go yes. Then yeah, plus plus. Oops, 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 oops. This part here, folks, investment is pretty straightforward, and it's nothing else. What I'm about to write now is nothing else but the formula that is given to us. Okay, and I'm hoping that won't create any confusion in any possible way. Okay, so I'll simply go investment amount multiplied by math dot pow now the period, the multiplication sign, and then my base will contain 1 plus monthly interest rate. Let's go to the next line so that we can all see. So it's 1 plus that. As an exponent, we're gonna have here multiplied by 12. Okay, and then finally I wanna display that system.out.print using printf though, not print. Okay, I'll simply go %d \c percentage 3.2f. I'll explain this in a moment, folks, in case you're not on the same page with me. Okay. For arguments, I'll put yeah, and then investment value. Okay. That's D over there is nothing else, but it says not. It tells us nothing else but the fact that we've got a digit to display, and this 3 point supposed to be 3.2 tells us that we need to leave 3 spaces to the left of this investment value number, and then we want 2 digits after the decimal place, and F is nothing else but a format specifier. Okay, again, if you lost here, I've got tons of exercises that are on which I applied this printf method on. Okay, so I suggest to check them out to be with me, in order to be with me. Okay, that is pretty much it, folks. I know this took longer than I expected, and likewise for you guys, I know. Okay, investment value. You better work, program. I've got no time for errors. Terrible sad. Again, folks, there's something I want you to let me know about. If you're against this whole ideology of giving out only one solution on this chapter on methods. If you're against that, please let me know, folks, because I presume that you all are okay with that. Come on, methods, from my point of view, I don't find them hard to do, hard to deal with. So that's why I'm only giving out one solution. And if you're against that, let me know momentarily. Oops, seems like our solutions are my solution is slightly different compared to theirs. You see, instead of 1093.8, we've got 1093.81. But the second number is exactly what we want. Let me try the last ones. Let me check them out. But even if I'm wrong, folks, come on, it's not about the solution per se, it's about grasping the concept. So that should be it for this tutorial, you guys. I'll see you on the next one.